Tired of struggling with outdated tools? In this video, we reveal the 5 best cordless electric drills built to handle any home project with ease. From quick fixes to full-on renovations, these top picks deliver power, precision, and portability, all without the hassle of cords. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. LYUWO LW 9020 Cordless Electric Drill. The LYUWO LW 9020 is a compact yet powerful cordless drill built for both household and commercial tasks. Weighing just 0.825 kilograms, it offers excellent control and comfort during extended use. With a 21V battery-powered brushed motor, this drill delivers consistent power. It supports a maximum drilling diameter of 10 mm, making it ideal for wood, plastic, and light metalwork. Plus, it uses a standard MT battery, ensuring easy compatibility and quick replacements. Its pistol-style grip adds ergonomic comfort, while the electric screwdriver function brings added versatility to your toolbox. Whether you're drilling, screwing, or doing minor impact tasks, the LW 9020 is up to the job. Customizable and cordless, this tool is perfect for DIYers, professionals, and anyone who values convenience. The LYUWO LW 9020 combines efficiency, power, and ease, all in one sleek tool. Number 4. LYUWO LW 8012 Cordless Drill. The LYUWO LW 8012 Cordless Drill offers the perfect balance of power and precision. Designed with a 40 Nm rated torque, it handles a wide range of tasks with ease, from drilling into wood and steel to ceramic surfaces. This tool features a 25+1 torque setting for precise control, and the 2-gear speed adjustment allows users to switch between high speed and high torque based on the job. The keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and effortless. Powered by a 12-volt battery and delivering 230 watts of input power, it ensures consistent performance. Its compact design and 1.39 kilograms weight make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. Customizable and cordless, the LW 8012 is ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With reliability, versatility, and user comfort in mind, this drill is a smart choice for any toolbox. Number 3. Gisam Cordless Impact Electric Drill. The Gisam 21-volt cordless impact drill is a versatile tool perfect for home DIY projects. Powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, it offers impressive performance for various tasks, including drilling, driving screws, and light hammer drilling. With a maximum drilling diameter of 10 mm, this drill is suitable for a range of materials like wood, metal, and plastic. Its brushed motor provides consistent power, while the impact drill function delivers extra force for tougher materials. The mini wireless hand drill design makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. It's lightweight yet powerful, making it ideal for extended use without strain. The Gisam 21V cordless impact drill is designed to handle everyday tasks with ease, from home repairs to small furniture assembly. For DIY enthusiasts seeking power, convenience, and portability, this drill is a must-have tool. Number 2. Makita DDF 487 Cordless Drill Driver. The Makita DDF 487 18-volt cordless drill driver is an excellent tool for home DIY projects. Powered by an 18V battery, it offers reliable performance for a range of tasks. With its brushless motor and 400 watts rated power, this drill provides efficient and high torque performance. This drill features a no-load speed of 1600 RPM, offering variable speed control for precise drilling and driving. Whether working with wood, metal, or plastic, the DDF 487 delivers smooth, powerful results. Weighing just 1.1 kilograms, it's lightweight, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The brushless motor ensures a longer tool lifespan, reduced maintenance, and increased energy efficiency. For DIY enthusiasts looking for power and precision, the Makita DDF 487 is the perfect addition to any toolkit, offering both ease of use and performance. Number 1. Dewalt DCF 850 Brushless Electric Drill. The Dewalt DCF 850 Cordless Impact Screwdriver is a powerful tool designed for both professionals and serious DIYers. Equipped with a 20V rechargeable battery, it ensures long-lasting power for all your tasks. With a rated torque of 205 Nm, this impact driver delivers the power needed to handle tough materials with ease. The brushless motor reduces wear and improves efficiency, making it a more durable option for extended use. The no-load speed of 3300 RPM allows for fast work and smooth results. Weighing just 1.5 kilograms, it is lightweight and compact, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Ideal for commercial manufacturing and heavy-duty tasks, the Dewalt DCF 850 combines power, speed, and portability. This tool is a must-have for anyone looking to take on challenging projects with ease and efficiency.